Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I want to show you how that you can use the strategies I've been sharing with you to trade any pair. Guys, I used to tell you this strategy works for any pair. So recently my videos has, in fact, mostly my videos has always been about boom and crash and sometimes volatility pairs on the reef. And someone asked me if I can do a video to show how to analyze other pairs with the same strategy. So I am doing a video today, this video to show you that you can analyze currency pairs and other stuff with this same strategy. So right now I am on XAUUSD. If you trade XAUUSD, then this is an opportunity to learn how to apply this strategy to trade that such pairs, guys. All right, so if you're just viewing my video for the first time, then I'll ask that you subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button, and then at the end of this video I believe you'll get some value from it. I would like to see your thoughts in the comment section. Yes, and also like this video. Share this video to anyone whom you know is struggling to succeed in trading forex, guys. All right. So once you do that, then let's continue with the video. All right. So the first thing you do is to come to daily time frame, and you understand the importance of going to daily time frame to start your analysis. Why you go to the daily time frame, so you can get the excuse me, to get the major structures built by the market, because the market as it moves creates structures and also um, levels that, yeah, really influence the movement of the market. And as the market moves, it creates some key levels, resistance and support zones, and patterns which can help you to determine or predict the direction of the market, or where the market will possibly reverse for a long move. When you come to a higher time frame, it's just to ensure you know where the market can turn, and once that turn happens, then the move will be will not just be a small move. It can move to a large distance. So that's why you come to a higher time frame. So guys, looking at this higher time, you can see the market has been buying previously. See, the market has been buying previously from here. It's been buying, and now there was a breakup structure at this point. It's the highest high it has created. Since then, this low here has not been taken out. So the market is still in an uptrend. The market is still in an uptrend. So if it would still continue, I expect the market, though personally I do expect the market to get to this particular level. Then if it wants to go back, it can go back later, but I expect the market to buy up to this level. I will show you later why I think so. The market must possibly buy up to at least this particular level here before thinking of selling to the downside. All right, guys, then if it still wants to continue in its bullish movement, then we will see that this high will be taken out. Market will create a breakout structure and also a higher high. All right, so meanwhile, let's apply what we've learned from other videos. You remember we were looking for a market creating a kind of corrections, like what happened there. This was an impulsive movement. This is a correction, impulsive movement. This is a correction now, and it's trying to move again impulsively, guys. So this is an opportunity here you could use to enter the market if you had seen this on time, because with this you can easily pull out a trend line and draw it somewhere like this. You can easily place a trend line somewhere like this, guys. Let me see if I can okay. uh There's a trend line here, and what I really notice about this particular pairs and other currency pairs, they have too much wicks. So if you do not know where to place the trend line, you get confused. Most times the trend lines will be falling just on the wicks, but at some point they will be cutting across the closing points or opening points of the candlesticks too. So don't be scared. Just know what you are doing and you'll be successful. So wait, let me see this. Let me see. I think this will be better. Do better this way. To be better this way. So we have better touches like here, here, and here. So there's a breakout here. Market broke out, came back and retested this zone, and you see the bias to the upside. Market came back and retested this zone. see, it came back and retested this zone where it bought previously, and which is this zone. You see it bought it previously, broke out, came back to retest this zone, then it bought massively to the upside. So, and like I told you previously, the target after breaking out like this, the target is always here, and it is 99% possible. So catching this on a daily time frame, and if you are patient enough to hold it straight up to this point, guys, be you'll be in thousands of profit depending on your account size, so you can easily do something like this. Let's say you are entering the trade at this point. Let's say you're entering at that point, then you get some good profit. This is about $96 with the minimum lot size. You know, mind you, you won't just enter on the daily time frame. You go down to the 15 minutes time frame to get a good entry, and that guarantees more profit, guys. So that is just it anyway for this. And there are so many opportunities here, even on this same daily time frame, that would have you would have used to make some good money. There's another opportunity right here. It's an opportunity here, like this particular spot here, So I have something like this, and another one. Put another line like this. So you can see the breakout. So you can see the breakout there, and we are expecting the market to buy to the upside. The market has broken out, and now there is an opportunity. There's a chance it would want to buy from this particular spot, but this is a daily time frame, so now be a bit challenging. The space is not too much. All right, so you can see there's a very high chance the market can come to buy from that particular zone. Then the question be, why am I marking that place? Why am I expecting the market to buy from this zone? You see, this is actually a key level. Market sold from here, market sold from here, market bought from here, market sold from here. So there's a chance the market can come to buy from this particular spot, this particular zone here, then from there to buy and get to this particular high, then possibly come down if it doesn't want to continue buying to the upside. All right, so that's just it, guys, for the daily time frame. Then let's go down to the 4-hourly time frame, so we can see opportunities that we would have gotten that would have made us some good money if we had seen them on time. So going down to the 4-hourly time frame, you can see the line we just placed here on this daily on the daily time frame. You can see the lines we just placed, and you see the breakout that happened, and there was a breakout and retest on this 4-hourly time frame, but the market is still coming back to retest again, and this one will be the proper retest based on the daily time frame. I don't know if you get my point. Market broke out previously, went to this and tried to do kind of a retest around here, then bought massively. You wonder why market retested at that point. The market can retest at that point because if you look at this, you can place another line right here, but I wouldn't want to confuse you guys. Just look at what I'm trying to show you right now anyway. You can see the market bought and sold around this point too. Market bought and sold around that same point too. So if we come here, you will see the market, market bought from this zone, market sold from this zone, bought from this zone, tried to buy from this zone after breaking out, still sold to the downside. So actually the market can possibly do same. Anyway, market has bought previously can still buy again, so but I'm taking out that line zone because it's no longer valid. I'm not expecting the market to get back to that zone again. One moment, guys. Why is this MT5 misbehaving? I don't know what's wrong with this MT5. I'm trying to delete an object. Let me pause this video and come back. All right, guys, so that is it. Then you can see that we had opportunities. Even right here, there was an opportunity that would have given massive. Okay, that is the breakout that I showed you on the daily time frame. If you look at it here on the 4-hourly time frame, this is just it. This is it. the massive breakout and retest. I'm just trying to show you that these things work, and if you can practice them, guys, you can use it to trade anything that is tradable. You can use it to trade anything that is tradable. You know, it's not you don't need too much strategy, guys. You don't need too much strategy. Very simple strategy like this can give you the profit that you need. You can get the profits that you need. You know, the reasons for my placing this trend line at this point is this. Let me get my arrow line. You see, I'm considering this is a point, this is a point, this is a point. So we join them with this. This is a kind of a resistance and support. So I joined this trend line as a dynamic key level, and join with this key level, this low here, this point here. Then see what the market did. Never got again to that line, and it still bought to the upside massively, guys. It bought massively, and you see where the market broke out. There's a strong zone around here. There's a strong support zone around this spot. Let's go to the daily time frame. You see there's a strong support zone around this particular spot, which we can easily join with this. So there's a resistance zone around here. Then when we go down, let's go back to the 4-hourly time frame and see that opportunity we marked. All right, so you can see the breakout and the retest. Market broke out. There's something I want to show you guys in this particular setup here. You see there was a breakout and the market came back to retest. This breakout, like I used to tell you, once there's a breakout, check if there's a nearest resistance zone around it. Like, look at just the breakout here, and this a high here. The high now is a resistance zone, Then what the market do was reacted and came down. Market came down from this point. So now on coming down, the market still gave an opportunity that you could use to enter a trade. And where is that opportunity, guys? Look at this. Let me take this out. Let me get trend lines. We deal with trend lines. Good. Duplicate this and put it right here, guys. Just put it right here. You see what happens, guys? That is just it. Very clear. Now, after breaking out of this particular trend line, this is actually a kind of a pullback, a breakout and a pullback, or you can say a breakout and a retest. After breaking out, then pulling back in a corrective manner. This is a kind of a correction now, and gave us this pattern that we always know the market would want to. After we see this pattern, we want to see a nice breakout. The market broke out of this pattern. It broke out, and remember, I told you once the market gets to a high of the pattern, in my one of the videos I've shared recently, said once market breaks out of a pattern like this, it targets this particular the top of the pattern. Like here, you can see when market got to this top, you see it reacted. You see this week we have at the upside of this bullish candlestick that broke out. You see, is a kind of a retracement from this particular point, the top of this particular pattern here. But the market, it couldn't just retrace back into the trend, because the market is actually respecting this particular pattern, the bigger picture, which is this particular bigger pattern here, because we want the market has to come to this top right here. So whatever smaller pattern we have here, they are not really strong enough to make us lose the trade at all. You understand? The only thing is they give you opportunities to enter the trade if you miss the initial opportunity. So on breaking out of this trade at this point, you can just enter and buy to the upside. And also another way you would have joined this trade again is by entering after this bullish engulfing candlestick was formed. Why will you enter after this bullish engulfing candlestick was formed? It's because it is almost at the support. You can draw another trend line like this. If you look at what is happening here, you look at this point here, look at this point here, and look at this particular point here, you can see they are almost on the same line. I don't want to draw a line here. You can see they are almost on the same line. So with this bullish engulfing candlestick, it's as if it is, in fact, it's actually acting on it's formed on a strong support. Then inside a pattern that is about to break out. So if you had entered here, you'll make some massive profit to the upside, guys. So that is it. And you see the market on getting to this high, this particular level, which is a kind of a reaction to a key level somewhere around this area. So what the market did was it started coming down again. You see the sales to the downside. This was another opportunity, but you couldn't have entered here on this time frame except you would go to a lower time frame like the 15 minutes time frame. You will find a nice entry for this particular movement here that will help you buy to the upside. So the market went up, broke above this particular zone. You see it came back to retest. This is another opportunity to enter the market. If you go to a lower time frame, you will still see that setup that would have helped you to enter the market nicely. You can see then it bought massively to the upside, targeting that high there, guys. So this particular strategy works for whether you are trading for currency pairs, or you are trading boom and crash, you are trading volatility pairs. Just understand the concept. Just understand the concept around it. Once you understand the concept around it, the next thing for you to do is to start practicing. Try applying the strategy on all those pairs you trade. Try to apply the strategy in all those pairs and see how it works. Then even there's another opportunity here. See another one here, very nice one. You can see a very nice opportunity right here. There's a very nice opportunity around here. You see, what did the market do? It danced around and later broke out and retested and sold nicely. The target is always this particular spot here, this level here. But this one didn't get there. Like I told you, it's 99% of the time. So meaning it cannot happen all the times. But whenever it happens, you'll be in profit, guys. So you can see very nice setups, guys. So you need to practice this setup. You need to practice this strategy and see if you can be profitable with them, which I know you will be if you are serious about practicing them. So even when you go to, just try to always move around time frames. Like the 1 hourly time frame, you will still find setups that will help you enter the market. You still find setups. You go down to the 15 minutes time frame, you will still find setups, guys. All right, so the video is already too long, and you can see what I told you. The market is, I'm expecting the market to buy to the upside. Yes, to sell to this zone, but it will later buy to the upside. Why I'm expecting that to happen is because of this structure the market is forming. I'm struggling to position this thing very well so I can put trend lines. You can see the structure already. You can see what the market is doing already. You can see this structure the market is forming already. So we want to see a breakout. We want to see a breakout and proper retest. Whether a breakout or and a proper retest or so, then you enter. Just get a nice confirmation. You get some profit. You know, make some profit and get out of the market, and learn not to be greedy. If you have some reasonable amount of profit, you leave the market and come back some other time. Don't be too greedy with the market. The market doesn't know you, it doesn't respect you, so don't think it's going to pity you. All right, guys. So this video is too long. I will have to stop it here. So guys, it's very simple. Just try to learn how to draw these lines and to identify those chart patterns. Once you identify a chart pattern, draw the lines to guide it. Wait for the market to break out. Wait for a retest, depending on where the market is breaking out from. If the breakout is somewhere very close to the recent to the nearest high, like the market is actually bullish and the market wants to break out from a bearish pattern so that it can continue buying, look for the nearest resistance zone. If it is very close, you can just wait for the market to get there and start coming back to do a kind of a retest or a pullback. Then from there you can get, once it gets to let's say the market breaks out of this particular spot, then gets to this zone here, then starts pulling back, and once it comes back to a support zone somewhere around here, then you enter the trade. Make sure you see a confirmation, like maybe a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Then you enter the trade. Your target is this high here. And you make some good profit with it. You open multiple positions, you can make some quick money and leave the market, guys, very easily. So that's how the strategy works, guys. It works for everything, and I want you to practice them. Let me see your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, or if you've learned anything from it, then don't forget to subscribe if you are a new person to if you are watching my video for the first time, and also like this video so that the algorithm can share it to every other person who are interested in this kind of information, guys. If you need a one-on-one mentorship, you want to be mentored by me, if you want to have everything to yourself, guys, contact me as soon as you can. This is already July. I don't know how much you've made so far, guys. Contact me so that I can put you through. We'll have a one-on-one mentorship, and you won't regret it, guys. You won't regret it. Then we will schedule your classes once we are done agreeing to our terms and conditions. All right. So there's a link in the description of this video. It will take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, you'll be able to find my direct contact. Then we'll discuss whatever you would want us to discuss, guys. So till my next video, stay blessed and peace out.